Hello there, it's James from Best Day Home Jobs. I'm going to show you how to create a website quickly inside of Wealthy Affiliate with SiteRubix. Okay, so here we are in my dashboard. So I would click on here to get back to my home and click on the websites option. Click on the site builder. Now imagine I'm a free member. I'm going to click free domain. I'm going to give my website a name. Okay. Okay, so free domain, any name you like, .siterubix.com. Any name you like is the title of the site. And I'm going to choose a theme. If you're a free member, you'll only get about 4 or 5 different options here. Okay, let's choose this one. And now I click on here to build a site. So 4 steps altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just click here to build the site. And it should take less than 30 seconds. Nearly done. And here we are. Alright, what I do first to log in is I switch this off because it can be a bit buggy for logging in. Disable the SSL, which is the security certificate, and then I right click on here or I log in from here. Okay, that was buggy. Then I go to WP admin like that. Alright, and then I'm going to copy my password and my login name is admin. Okay, let's log in, and there we are. I now have my own website and I can start creating content on there and driving traffic and making money.